Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Binance time zone. First, log into your Binance account and locate the user profile icon, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. This menu is your gateway to personal settings and account management, making it the first step in customizing your experience. Once the drop-down menu appears, you'll need to select the Settings option. This will take you to your personal account settings page, where you can manage various aspects of your Binance profile. On this page, carefully look for a section that deals with General Preferences or Display Settings, as this is where the time zone option is typically located. Within the General Preferences or Display Settings, you should find the Time Zone option. Click on the currently displayed time zone to open a list of available options. Carefully scroll through and select the time zone that accurately reflects your current location. This ensures all your trading activities and data are synchronized correctly. Once you have selected your preferred time zone, make sure to confirm your choice. There's usually a Save or Confirm button to apply the changes. After saving, it's a good practice to verify that the time displayed on your Binance platform now accurately matches your local time. This small adjustment helps ensure precise tracking of your trades and activities.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.